Unraveling the magic of put on your thinking cap. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that often pops up in English conversations. Put on your thinking cap. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English language journey, understanding such phrases enriches your communication skills and helps you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. When someone says, "Put on your thinking cap," they're not talking about a physical hat. This phrase is a metaphorical way of asking someone to think very hard about a problem or a situation. It's like saying, "It's time to concentrate and come up with some ideas or solutions." This expression is often used in educational settings, brainstorming sessions, or when facing a challenging problem that requires deep thought. The phrase, "put on your thinking cap," dates back to the 19th century. Initially, it might have been inspired by the idea of wearing a special cap or hat that could somehow enhance one's thinking abilities. Historically, hats have been symbols of status, profession, or personality. In this context, the thinking cap is symbolic of putting oneself in the right mindset to solve problems or generate ideas. Understanding the origins of this phrase allows us to appreciate its usage and the playful imagery it evokes. Incorporating "put on your thinking cap" into your daily English can make your language more colorful and engaging. Here are a few examples of how you can use this phrase. 1. In a brainstorming session, "All right, team, we need some innovative ideas for our next project. Let's all put on our thinking caps." 2. When facing a problem, "We've hit a snag with our plans. It's time to put on our thinking caps and figure out a solution." 3. Encouraging someone, "I know this puzzle is challenging, but put on your thinking cap. I'm sure you'll solve it." By using this phrase, you not only make your language more vibrant but also encourage a creative and thoughtful atmosphere. Put on your thinking cap is more than just an idiomatic expression. It's an invitation to engage deeply with the task at hand. Whether that's solving a problem, generating ideas, or learning something new. By understanding and using such phrases, you enrich your English communication and bring a touch of playfulness to serious tasks. We hope this exploration has inspired you to not only add this expression to your vocabulary but also to approach challenges with a sense of creativity and enthusiasm. Happy learning, and remember, whenever you're faced with a challenge, don't forget to put on your thinking cap.